Hi there! In this video, I will show you how to fix pairing problem on your Sony WF-1000XM5 headphones. Let's get started. I'm gonna show you this on the example of an iPhone. So firstly, make sure that the earbuds are in a pairing mode. If you see this blue indicator, then they are. So if the earbuds do not appear in the list of Bluetooth devices, then try to turn off Bluetooth on your iPhone, wait a couple of seconds, and then turn it back on. Also, don't forget to turn off Bluetooth on other devices nearby so they don't get in the way. If it still fails to connect, the headphones may have been in a pairing mode for a long time. Just try to close your case and then after a few seconds open it again. And then press and hold this button for at least 5 seconds so this indicator will light up blue. And then try the pairing process again. So you'll see this in the list of other devices. If it didn't help as well, try to restart your iPhone. The next problem you can face with is when you can see your headphones in the list of Bluetooth settings, but you cannot pair them with your phone. In this case, try to restart your headphones. So, while the headphones are inside the case, press and hold this back button for at least 20 seconds and wait till the orange LED starts flashing, and then you can release the button. So let's just wait for about 20 seconds. And now we can release the button. And after this, we can close the case for a couple of seconds, then open it again and place earbuds in a pairing mode again by pressing this button for 5 seconds till the indicator will light up blue. And now you should see it in the list of other devices and you should be able to connect them with your phone, just like this. And that's it for today. I hope this video was useful for you and thank you so much for watching.